These are the Ant Away cat and dog pet food bowls. I have 2 of them because I have 2 animals. But these are like a genius design. I like these because it has the moat around the edges because my dogs, they make a mess when they eat. And I like that I could separate the food and the water. The moat circles the whole bowl so the food stays protected. If you want to put this outside, it stays protected during ant season, but I use it in their feeding kennels. But it is made from thick baby bottle grade plastic. It's super lightweight, but surprisingly tough, both indoors and outdoors. If you have multiple, they stack up. And I use these indoors with absolutely no issues at all whatsoever. About 2 cups of food in here, dry. And I put wet food in here. I mix it up, no problems whatsoever. Cleaning is so easy. I rinse, wipe it out. Or I also put this in the dishwasher standing up upright, so it washes totally. This is definitely sturdy. It stays put. It does not move while the dog is eating, but I get these because I like to keep the water and the food separated once they are dining. And they dine separately, so that's why I have 2 of them. But some pets will drink out of this if the water spills. Mine does not. And it doesn't, it's harmless. But this bowl saves you from having to have 2 separate feeding systems, a water and then a dry, or you can do a dry and a wet food if you want. But this is simple, it's smart, and it makes feeding time way easier. No ants, if that's what you're going for, no mess, and no drama.